The light has come into the world. O God, now we light the candle of your nativity. With the company of heaven and with sounds of great joy, you come to us. This is the time of life and resplendent joy. The prophet Isaiah proclaimed a time when those who walk in the shadows will see a great light. A light will shine, and a child will be born to us. The evangelist Luke painted the nativity sky and repeated the heavenly song of the angels. Glory, peace on earth, and goodwill. John declared that this great light is Christ, the Word made flesh. This great light lives among us. By it we behold God's glory, full of grace and truth. At Christ's nativity we now rejoice.